Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to unbox Redmi Note 9 and we'll talk about the first impressions and reviews. Here, let's take the box out. So I've got Redmi Note 9. I've got the variant 4+64GB and the color is pebble grey. It costs around 12,000, that is 1199. So let's talk about the specifications. Here we have 48 MP quad cam, 5020 mAh battery, which is quite good, FHD display, and we have 22.5 watt charger, inbox charger. So I wanted to share this with you that I've got a memory card of 128GB, nearly around 1500 rupees. So technically I'll have a 64 plus 128GB. So it's quite a good at this price. And finally, here we'll take the box out and we'll have a look inside. So as you guys know, this thing, it has this SIM ejecting tool and some user guidelines. Also it has got a soft case. It's dark in color, black, so the quality is quite impressive. It's good at this cost. It's great. So I've ordered it from the MI store, so you can also buy it from there. It has this inbox charger, as I told you earlier, 22.5 watt charger and the Type-C cable. The quality looks great. So let's quickly have a look at the phone. So here's the pebble gray look. Although it does not have a glass back, but it looks like a glass back. It has a plastic back, but it's very shiny and the look is good. I am impressed. What I am noticing here is that like these fingerprint marks, it gets easily imprinted on the phone, which is a bit hectic because you have to clean it again and again if you're like me especially. So here are the ports and buttons. It's almost similar to all the other latest Androids. Here's the IR blaster and noise canceller, so you can use it for your MI TV as a remote. So here you can see the like I've already opened it, so let's check the sensor. I guess it's quite good. You can also have this face unlock, but I haven't used it here. I'm using fingerprint sensor here and it is quite good, responds nicely. So we'll look at these settings. All the settings you can find it here. So all the things are similar to other Androids, and it has Helio G85 processor. It is the first phone to have the processor. It's quite nice and it's good for gaming if you're a gamer. So you can use this phone and it's very budget friendly. You can see these marks. I don't like these marks. It's a bit so here we'll check the camera quality because camera is very important. So let's just quickly, I am going to click the picture in front of you guys so that you can have a look. Also, I'm not using any special lightings here. It's the normal lighting. So here I guess the quality is quite good. The colors are nice, and while zooming the picture it is very clear. So camera, is nice. The front camera is also good, but the rear camera is really nice. Also, if you like this video, please share, comment and subscribe.